Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Before we start, I just want to apologize in advance for all the traffic you might hear in the background. I live in the city. It's the holiday weekend. Everyone is out and about. Okay, so what I have planned for this area, I am so excited. So this is the front garden bed. It is south facing, which means it gets sun from about, I'll say 8 o'clock till the sun sets. So I will be mass planting Super Tunia Bordeaux with potato vines in between every other Bordeaux. I already pre-dug the hole to save time on video. I already pre-dug the hole and put them where I want them to go. Now, these sweet potato vines are excuse my shadow. These Bordeaux are very leggy, so I need to give them a hard prune. So they're gonna look a little bit naked for a little bit, but then they're gonna bounce back. So once I plant them, I'm gonna go over and trim them. I'm gonna cut like a good amount of them back, good amount of it off. All right, so this is the bed that have the hibiscuses in this bed. This is the bed that caused a lot of conversation on Instagram. This is the bed that I planted Super Tunia Bubblegum and Silverberry, Vista Silverberry in last season. So this season, the theme for this bed, or the theme for my whole garden, will be purple rain. So I will have different shades of purple, blues with hints of purple, dark pinks with hints of purple, like this salvia right here that I'm going to put around my bird bath. It has hints of purple in it. So, and that's for Prince. If you guys know who Prince is, he's an entertainer, the singer. So this is in honor of him, Purple Rain. Also, this combination of plants is also an inspiration from Proven Winners. They have a container mix called Persian Night. I'll try to insert a picture called Persian Night, and on the back of the Super Tunia Bordeaux, they had, what's it called? Angelonias, which I also have 16 that I'm going to put in the back to fill in that gap. Now, I don't know how it's going to look, but I have this vision, guys. I have this vision in my mind, and you know, it's my vision, so a lot of people will not see it until it really comes to life. But I think this is going to look amazing. This bird bath, I love this bird bath. I got it at a yard sale with this other piece, which was a fountain, but they could not find the base. So in the back behind the bird bath, I have 3 summer sweet hydrangeas, one right there, these 2 right there, and then over there. Now these 2 are a little bit too close to each other, but I need these 3 for another project that I have coming up, so I'm going to dig them up. I know, because if you've been following me from the start, you know I had some knockout roses back here. I dug those up and took those out my garden, and I replaced them with these hydrangeas. Now I'm going to replace these hydrangeas with some other hydrangeas that I have. You just have to wait and see. I think it's going to look amazing. I have a vision, guys, and the vision is, I'm telling you, this is going to be the talk of the season. You hear me? I have confidence in my garden, and I'm confident in myself. I can pull this off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the camera up and just speed it up and plant all these plants, cut them back, and then we're going to mulch. Right here, we have Summerific Perfect Storm Hibiscus. It's going to take in this whole space, so I'm not going to plant any Angelonia in the front right here. I'm getting tongue-tied. And then you come on over. Right here, this purple plant that you see, greenish purple plant right here, that is a Summerific. Very awesome, guys. I can't wait for you to see all the hibiscuses in my garden, because I'm adding 4 more, plus I already had like 3. I already had 5 plus 4 more, so that's 9. Like, you have hydrangeas, then hibiscus. That's my love right now. My containers, I have yet to get to them. Yeah, I'm behind, but it's okay. You know, I'm working at my own pace, guys. Guys, I am so sorry. I really and truly apologize. The battery died while I was in the process of recording, and when I put it on the charge, cannot find the spare battery, so I just kept on working because, you know, my time is very limited with my newborn. So this is what I have, guys. Oh my god, I'm loving the purple. This year's theme once again is purple rain, and oh my gosh, I am loving the way everything is looking. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean up my mess tomorrow, not tonight, because I'm so tired. So let's go over the plants. All right, so we have Super Tunia Bordeaux and Sweet Potato Vine. I think these are going to look amazing. Once again, this is an inspiration from Proven Winners Persian Night container mix thing. And then, so in the back we have the Angel Blue Angelonia, which is amazing. So that's a layer up in front of the Bordeaux, so that's going to give it a darker purple with the light purple in the front. I think that's going to look amazing. Those get about 18 to 24 inches tall, right? And I did it all the way down, but then I took it a step further, and right here in front of my yard sale statue bird bath, he is gorgeous. I planted 3 rockin' fuchsia salvia, guys. They are gorgeous. I just love the color. I wanted him to stand out from everything else, so I planted that fuchsia color, and it's amazing. I just love the color. It's so bright. So as you can see in the back, I did not mulch. I did not mulch the back, and I know it looks a little bit ghetto. That's because I will be removing those 3 hydrangeas you see in the back. I want to plant some black lace elderberry. I think that's what it's called. They're very dark. I want something very dark in this area because, as you can see, it is a lot of different shades of green, and I want something heavy to anchor this space. So that's what I have so far, guys. Everything looks amazing. I will get to that maybe tomorrow or the day after. I don't know when, just to be honest with you. I am so tired right now, so I'm getting ready to go in the house and get to my babies. Look at all my mess, and I am not cleaning this up right now. I'm going to go inside, shower, get my babies showered, get them ready for bed and everything like that, because it's late right now. I've been trying to do this all day, in between feeding, changing diapers, putting babies down for naps. Excuse me, once again, I live in the city, so there's a lot of noise going by. So this is what I have, guys. Tell me what you think. I just cannot wait for this to spill over. If you guys remember last season, I had Super Tunia Vista Bubblegum and Fuchsia, and it was amazing. It was beautiful. It was like, I mean, let me tell you, my neighbors, they were hating, okay? So I cannot wait for this to fill in and look amazing. Whew, I am so exhausted. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye, guys.